With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, so our question is, if roots of the equation x square plus 5x minus p is 0 differ by unity, then we have to find the value of p. So let us start. Now we are given with the equation x square plus 5x minus p equal to 0. Now on comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we get a as 1, b as 5 and c as minus p. Now roots of the equation are alpha and beta, and we know alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Here b is 5, so minus 5 upon a is 1. So value of alpha plus beta is minus 5, and alpha into beta is c by a. C is minus p and a is 1. So value of alpha into beta is minus p. Now it is given in the question that roots of the equation are differ by unity. That means mod of alpha minus beta is given as 1. Now we can write this as alpha minus beta the whole square is 1. Now this is a minus b the whole square identity, and we know a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 1. Now we know alpha plus beta the whole square identity is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now from here value of alpha square plus beta square will be alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So now instead of alpha square plus beta square we can write alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and minus 2 alpha beta equal to 1 as it is. Now alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta equal to 1. Now value of alpha plus beta we have calculated above, that is minus 5. So minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 into value of alpha beta is minus p equal to 1. Now 25 plus 4p equal to 1. So from here 4p will be 1 minus 25 is minus 24. So value of p is minus 24 upon 4. Now 4 6 are 24. So value of p is minus 6. That means option number 1 is correct, that is minus 6. Thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.